In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide formula in Google Sheets. If you share spreadsheets or just prefer a cleaner workspace, hiding the formula bar is a quick way to keep formulas out of sight without changing any data. It keeps your view focused and reduces the chance that someone will accidentally edit a formula while they're browsing the sheet. First, open the Google Sheet you want to work on. Make sure you are on the correct tab, then look to the very top of the screen for the menu bar. Click View. A drop-down opens with options for how your sheet is displayed. Move your cursor to Show, which opens a side menu with several display options. In that Show submenu, find Formula Bar. It likely has a check mark next to it. Click Formula Bar once to remove the check mark. As soon as you do, the formula bar at the top disappears. Your sheet immediately looks cleaner, and any formulas you have won't be visible in that top area. This is especially helpful in shared sheets because it reduces the chance that someone will notice or accidentally edit a formula while reviewing your data. To confirm it's hidden, click any cell that contains a formula. Notice that nothing appears in the top bar anymore. You only see the cell selection on the grid. Your calculations still run exactly the same, you are simply hiding the place where the formula would normally display. If you later decide you want that visibility back, you can turn it on just as quickly. Go back to View at the top, hover over Show and click Formula Bar again to add the check mark. The bar reappears, and when you select a formula cell, you'll see the full formula up top. Keep in mind, hiding the formula bar is a visual preference. It doesn't remove or lock formulas, and it doesn't change what collaborators can do with their own display settings. It's best used to reduce on-screen distractions or to keep the focus on results during a presentation. If you are working with others, let them know this setting exists, so they can choose what works best for them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.